today I'm going to be doing a mukbang video. I'm going to be doing some seafood that I got from this girl I was referred to on Facebook. I will link all of her information down below for those of y'all who live in St. Louis like me. I am really excited about this video. Everybody who knows me knows I love, love, love seafood. It's like my favorite food ever. It's like the best. Like, it's my favorite type of food. So I'm excited about this. I've had a really rough day, to be honest, y'all. I'm having a very rough week, so I wanted to do a video that was kind of light but still fun, you know, easy to do. Eating makes me happy, so, you know, sometimes, sis, you just gotta do whatever it is that makes you happy, and whatever it is that is going to uplift your spirits and, you know, just make your day, make your week better. So for me today, that is eating, so that's what I'm gonna do. So I got my food right here. I will show you guys in just a second, but first I need to take this dress off because I didn't think about it. I should have done that before starting this video, but I didn't, so whatever. I will be right back. I'm about to go change. All right, y'all, so I am back. Don't mind all of this stuff. I obviously have not even you know, done my room. This is all the same stuff from my bedroom shopping haul video or whatever. So y'all, that's a whole nother process in itself. I haven't gotten to it yet. That's why y'all haven't seen the video yet, and that's why all this stuff is still sitting right here, but eventually I will get to it. But anyways, let's get into the video. All right, y'all, I asked her for some extra sauce. Oh, I don't want it to spill. It's kind of hard for y'all to see, but it's like this creamy sauce. Oh, I'm excited. I'm excited. My cousin ordered some too, so she's gonna be coming over in just a second to pick hers up. Y'all, this looks so lit. This looks so lit. This is my box. I got a large. Basically what you get in the large, you get a pound of crab legs, which typically is like 2 clusters. You get a piece of corn, you get some shrimp, you get some sausage. I thought it had potatoes too, but I don't see any potatoes, so I don't really know. Oh well, I guess it doesn't come with potatoes. Oh, I don't want to drop it. Look at that. Ooh, if that fell on the floor, I would have been real mad. Real mad, sis, real mad. Okay. Come here, y'all, come here. I gotta show y'all this. Look at that. Yeah, this definitely ain't got no potatoes in it, but it got some shrimp, it got corn, you got the crab legs. I kind of want y'all to be able to see better, so I'm actually gonna scoot back a little bit. My hands are gonna get so dirty. I hate eating with my hands, but I'm gonna do it anyway. So I literally cracked this open and then sauce went all over my damn wall. I love seafood. And I'm sorry. I'm sorry in advance for smacking. Here go my cousin. I'm sorry in advance for smacking. When food be so good, when it just be so lit. Did I lock the door for her? I did. When food just be so lit, you kind of automatically just smack. You don't be doing it on purpose, but it just happened like that. This one don't want to break, and I'm normally a pro. I can't get it, y'all. Okay, I'm done with that one. It's not being nice to me. It's good. She said, is it good? I just put yours in the microwave. I literally just put it in the microwave. Which box you get? The large. What's the large? The same thing yours is, but with an extra cluster. That sauce, it tastes like mayonnaise. It might not be mayonnaise, but it kind of tastes like mayonnaise. It's good. I don't know why you just went around. Well, yeah, sure. That sauce is definitely mayonnaise. I'm making a damn mess. It's okay. It's so good.
Good.
What season did she put on her? It's like spicy.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You don't want to eat with me?
Oh, okay.
Say hi to Jazz, guys. She don't want to say hi to y'all today. I gotta. Bite it with my teeth because I don't have one of them little cracker things. That's what I normally use for this piece right here. This fat one. I didn't even take a picture for a thumbnail. Look at my hands. Messed up already. But yeah, y'all, how was y'all day today? Like I said, my day was pretty doggone stressful. Work is just getting busier and busier, and you know, it's just a lot. But I'm thankful and I'm grateful, you know, that I have a job. So, you know, I'm gonna keep complaining to a minimum because things could be a lot worse. You always have to remember that. It's always somebody, and not to really take away from, you know, the stress. Why am I going back like this? I'm scared I'm gonna pop myself again. But anyways, you know, not to downplay the stresses of your situation, but it's just like, you just got to think about it sometimes. Like, it's always somebody that has it far worse than you. It's always somebody who's more stressed out than you. You know, shit could be a lot worse. So you just have to remember that. That's just what I tried to do. This just came out all wrong, but I need to go get a fork. Anyways. It could be worse. That's the moral of the story. So you just have to be grateful for every day, every experience. So yeah, that's about it. I'm so mad that this piece didn't come out. How I wanted it to come out. Okay. Y'all should see my damn hands right now. Hot mess. Hot mess express. Gonna take a little piece of shrimp, dip it in my sauce. This damn shrimp still got the freaking legs on it. I think I got it all off. Hey, Mr. Shrimp. I'm gonna eat you, Mr. Shrimp. Dip it in my little sauce. I told her I was a fatty and I needed some extra sauce on the side. I told her I wanted to dip every piece. Yeah, it's definitely like some spicy mayo sauce or something. Of some sort. It's bomb though. This sausage looks so good. Look at all of this seasoning on this sausage. So good. Y'all. So bomb. So bomb. Oh, I think I said earlier, well, I started to say something. I'm sorry I'm smacking, I'm sure I am. I get so excited to eat. It's literally my favorite thing to do. Yeah, baby. What's up, baby? I want to eat the doggone shell. That's why I'm seasoning it. Dip it in my sauce. 10 out of 10. Salute. My hand. I'm so glad I got this sauce on the side. It's very necessary. This is so good. So I'm gonna start doing in my videos kind of like a question or like a word or something like that. Basically the reason being is because I want to know who's watching my videos all the way through. I'm gonna start asking y'all to comment certain stuff below, so basically that way I know if y'all are still here with me or not. Like, for an example, and I actually want y'all to do this, so this is a real example. This is the first video I'm doing this. A mess. Anyways, this is the first video that I'm doing this, so if you are still here with me and you are still watching right now, comment down below your favorite color. And that's gonna let me know, okay, halfway through my video, you know, all of these people are still watching. And then, oh no, oh, I thought I was about to break it. Oh, 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 oh. Lit like a lamp. I know I'm looking all over my hands, but obviously I washed my hands before I did this, so they clean. Judge me if you want to. I don't care. What they say, people gonna judge if you want to, so do what the fuck you want anyway. Sorry mom if you're watching this. I know my daddy don't watch my videos. I actually don't even think my dad knows about my channel. I need to get a thumbnail picture. Y'all, this is so good. Shout out to Desmond for getting me here. So good. So good. It's so good. You hear that echo? I got real life issues. I literally, I keep crab legs every day. Every freaking day. And I will not get tired of them. This sausage is so good, y'all. It is so good. Like, I almost don't even want to keep eating it because I don't want to run out. I think I ate like 1 or 2 pieces so far. It's so good. I need to go get a plate. I had to go get a plate to put my trash because the box ain't big enough and it's kind of, the shelves of what I already ate is in the way. Even though I tried to put it in the little corner. I need to try to get a thumbnail. Did I get it all? Look at, oh, that corn's so juicy. Look at this corn, y'all. Yes. Yes. Yes, ma'am. First of all. Ugh, I should have took my glasses off. I feel like I should try to hold both of them. Ooh, it's gonna be juice everywhere. I need to move this water. Urgh. Help. Help. Okay. All right. This is so good, y'all. And it is not a good idea to crack this with your teeth, but I am not getting back up. I will go get a fork or something to use to crack them open. I normally like these because the meat in them normally be really good and like fat. But the last one that I opened, I jacked it all up. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. That's that part that was in here. That's kind of weird to eat that, but you know, whatever. I'm actually gonna dip this in here because they got like seasoning and stuff in here from once you put it in the box. This is so good. So good. My sister gonna be so mad at me when she see this video. I'm sorry, Sydney, in advance. I checked your location and saw that you were at work. And yeah, I don't know how to reheat seafood, so I didn't want to get it and then not even be good reheated. I wouldn't recommend reheating crab legs, but that's just me. But this so bomb. So I definitely will be ordering again. Let me try this corn. My corn's kind of cold, but it's been like 30 minutes since she brought it and I don't want to reheat it. It's actually been a little bit more than that. Y'all. So good. So good. Y'all, I have a story time that I want to do on my channel. Oops. I have a story time I want to do on my channel, but I need Jazz to do it with me. But I'm so excited to tell this story to y'all because it's funny. Actually, it's a good story, but it's not like ha ha ha, like funny. It was actually something really dumb that I did. Well, that we did, I guess. So I gotta wait for Jess to tell y'all that story. I could tell it by myself, but she was there too, so I kind of want her to be a part of it just in case she remembers something that I don't, and vice versa. You know, I want us to be able to like piggyback off of each other. Yeah, I can't see, but I'm over here moving my legs like back and forth. This is so good. It's rush hour right now, so the girl got stuck in traffic bringing this to me. So when I got it, it was already like 30 minutes old. But it was still pretty warm. You know, she kept it in a box, and then the box was in a bag, you know, which the bag was tied up. So, yeah, it was still cool, but if this was fresh. Oh, y'all, I'm telling food porn. For real. I just want to say that this little cluster at the end of the crab leg, y'all better not throw that away because it's all good meat in here. All good meat. You literally have to open up every section. Every section. It's a lot of meat in here. And sometimes when you pull the actual leg off of here, some of the meat that's in this cluster will come off also, you know, so you can just eat it like that. But you still gotta bust open this cluster, bro. I'm gonna get rid of that. I gotta hurry up because I gotta edit this video. I wanna upload it for y'all today. Y'all, let me tell y'all why I've been so stressed out. One moment. It's dripping. Can't see dripping. Drip. Can't see drip. Okay, so I can tell y'all all about I've been stressed out, but really the most recent thing that is like stressing me out is yesterday I really wanted to upload this video for y'all. Not this video, it was a different video. I literally edited the whole video. It took me 2 hours to edit this 30-minute video, right? Edited the video. I watched it all the way through to make sure it was what I wanted, to make sure I liked it, etc., etc. Added music. It was good, right? It was ready to go. It was like this last little clip at the end that I wanted to add music to. I tried to add the music into there, like paste it, because I was doing it on the computer. Not from my phone. So I tried to paste the music in there. The whole project erased. I literally don't know what I did, but the whole project was gone. And not only was the whole project gone, every other project in iMovie was gone. Like every single one. I gotta figure out what happened because I need that video back, okay? It was a really good video. It's a fun video. It's a video, you know, something I've never done before, so I was really upset about that. Y'all, I literally cried and went straight to sleep. You know, if you're a mother and you have sat there and you have pumped breast milk for your baby, you just sat there and pumped and pumped and pumped. It's hard work. It takes time. It takes patience to do that. And you spill that damn milk? Me deleting that movie was the equivalent, I feel like, of dropping some damn freshly pumped breast milk. Stressful, right? Yeah, that's how I felt yesterday. I was so mad. I was so mad. So yeah, that's why I didn't upload a video yesterday. So I was like, I miss my YouTube family. I was like, I have to figure out something quick, you know, something that'll be easy for me to edit. You know, I need a video that I can, you know, do today, because this happened yesterday. I was like, I need a video that I could do today, edit today, and upload today. Film, edit, upload. And I was like, I have to eat, you know. I was like, let's just do a mukbang video. And that's what I did. I'm almost done, y'all. Like, I ate 2 clusters. I still have like 3 or 4 pieces of sausage left. And I got that piece of corn. I don't want to break my teeth, but I need to bite this again. I really wish this had potatoes in it because I thought that it was going to have potatoes. I don't remember if that paper said potatoes or not. Either way, it's still lit even without the potatoes. I'm pretty sure that paper said potatoes. I'm gonna have to check. I feel like it did. Again, it's not a good idea to bite this with your teeth, but you know, I'm a savage, so you know, I'm not really a savage. Ooh, yeah, this came out real crazy, but it's a big old chunk of meat. Do not get these little pieces like this. Do not give up on them. It's all meat inside of it, okay? All meat. You know what's crazy? What's crazy is how the seasoning is on top of the crab legs, but the crab leg itself, after you break the shell and you know take the meat out, the meat is still so flavorful. It's crazy. I got 2 little pieces of shrimp left. Half the rest of this corn, which is like half of it. I got this little cluster. I got 3 pieces of sausage and 2 pieces of shrimp left. And I'm actually getting full, which is weird because I guess I wasn't as hungry as I thought I was, because literally if I go out to eat and do all you can eat crab legs with my family, I literally, okay, so when you go to the buffet, they normally put like 4 clusters on your plate. Me and my sister will go up there like 5 times and just keep eating crab legs. This corn is so juicy. It's so juicy. I need to at least eat the rest of this crab leg because, like I said, I don't know how crab legs are gonna taste reheated. Okay. I should show y'all my damn floor. This shit everywhere. But yeah, I don't know how crab legs are reheated. I know the sausage will be okay reheated, and I know the shrimp will too. And the corn. But these crab legs, I keep sniffling my nose running. It's like spicy. It's not hot, but it's spicy. Ooh. I'm full, y'all. I'm struggling to finish this box. I'm struggling. I can't eat no more. I think I gotta tap out. Like, I'm full. Like, I thought that I was gonna boss up and eat the rest of it, but I'm literally so full. And this video is already at like 40 minutes, which obviously I'm gonna cut some of that down, but okay, y'all. I'm done. Yeah. For those people who don't really watch YouTube videos, literally what a mukbang is, you literally just sit and you eat. And you talk to the camera. Or some people don't talk to the camera. They literally just sit there and eat. Or they do the video with somebody else and, you know, the camera's recording them eat and they just, you know, have a conversation with the person that they're with. But these videos are very popular on YouTube, so of course I had to do one. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Like I said, the information for the Spicy Chef is going to be down below in the description box. So make sure you guys check her out. Y'all, she delivers, okay? She will make the seafood fresh and bring it to your house. She also is on Facebook. You can just search her, The Spicy Chef. I think that's what it's called. I'm gonna have to double check, but yeah. You can search her on Facebook, and like I said 1,000 times, her information will be down below in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. This was so fun. This food was so bomb. Y'all have to get some. And prices are so reasonable. Like, so reasonable. Like, I cannot believe I got all of this food for the price that I got it for. Like, it's crazy. Like, these prices are unbeatable. For some seafood, sis, you're not gonna find these prices nowhere else. And it's good. And she brings it to your house. Like, it don't get no better than that. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video. As always, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you are new to my channel, welcome, and thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you guys are still here with me right now, comment down below your favorite animal. Because like I said earlier, I want to know who's watching my videos all the way through. I want to know if I'm keeping your attention, that type of thing. So comment down below your favorite animal. That is the end of the video. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.